Hey everyone, today I'm going to be playing with the Whispered the Heart transfer. I'm going to start off by fuzzing it. The reason I fuzz it is these transfers are reusable about 8 to 12 times and they come really sticky. So I just take a fuzzing cloth and just fuzz it just a few times before I place it on the board. The board I'm using is our Sylvie 18 by 18 chalkboard. I'm going to press that down, make sure there's no air bubbles, and I'm going to open up a paste. This one is called Shimmer Splash. And I'm just using a mini squeegee and covering up all that silk screen area where the letters are, covering all of that, and then I'm going to switch to using the color Storm. So let's squeegee off that excess, grab our Storm, and I'll cover that section that says Whispered the Heart. I love this stuff. It is so much fun. It makes it so easy to make beautiful signs. It's going to go right through that silk screen, and let me show you how adorable it turns out. Ready? Let's peel it up, and voila, so cute. Let me show you the finished look. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.